Hey Nicole, it's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you a few things I found on your website that you can fix easily so you can start bringing in more business. Now you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's super simple. There are a lot of business owners out there that are so busy running their own company, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them even more business. So I started making these videos and giving them away for free. Some folks call me back after watching this and some do this stuff themselves. Whatever you would like to do is okay with me. It's free information, but this will help you rank on Google if you follow these tips. Now, the three things that I'm going to talk to you about today are content, backlinks, and citations. So I've got DC Electric Inc. website pulled up here. And just really quick, I like that you got the logo right up here really big, your contact information right up there, awesome. All of your different pages right there too. And then a little look at you guys. Some things that you offer, your mission statement, which is great, and again, your contact information just right down here at the bottom, and some more links. Those are great as well. If you guys have any Facebook or any sort of social media, Instagram, Twitter, anything like that, you can also add those links on here too, and that just gives your clients another way to connect with you. We could update the website just a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty crisp and clean and really simple, which is nice. Now, what I do want to talk to you about is content. Google really cares about your content, and they want to see you sitting at about 1,500 to a 2,000 word mark. So I've gone ahead and I've copied this website and I put it into wordcounter.net. And as you can see, you guys have about 163 words on that homepage. So not very close at all to where you want to be. Now I've also gone and put in Wheeler Electric, as they are one of the top competitors in that area. And they got 607, so they're not at that 1,500 word mark either, but they're ahead of you guys for sure. Now, in addition to having that 1,500 word mark, Google really wants to see keywords sprinkled in there. Those keywords can include things like Electrician, Idaho Falls, and when I search that on this page, it's not found at all. So that's something that you definitely want to get added in there, and that can be done as simple as the electrician that Idaho Falls loves, and you can throw that in there. Google's going to read that, it's going to help you rank, and again, make sure you sprinkle it into your content when you get it up to that 1,500 word mark, along with other keywords too. Now, another way that you can help rank is by saving these images before you upload them to the website as keywords. So control panel building, clients aren't going to really be Googling that, but they are going to Google things like electrician Idaho Falls. Go ahead and save that picture as this, and then add it to your website. Now, the next thing that we're going to be talking about is backlinks. So Google is similar to a popularity contest. So backlinks are very important because Google wants to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you, saying that you are trustworthy. But Google has to make sure that those backlinks are also trustworthy and relevant. So it's like a network of trustworthy websites just linking to each other, and you need to get some of those linking to you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so keep that in mind. If you have a backlink coming from like Pizza Hut, it's not going to be as powerful because Google knows you aren't a pizza company. Now, the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but you don't have to use it. There are plenty of free tools out there. So I've gone ahead and put DC Electric into Ahrefs, and this is what we're going to look at right now. You guys have 19 referring domains or 19 websites linking to you. In comparison, Wheeler has about 54. So this is good news because if these domains are enough to rank Wheeler, they are enough to rank you as well. So all you have to do is click into here and do exactly what they did. Get yourself added to these same exact websites. And that can be done by either just creating a profile and registering it or emailing the account owner. Sometimes you have to pay a monthly fee, but it's worth it when you start to see the amount of traffic that can add up from having your website being ranked so high on Google. And it's important to keep in mind that people aren't just Googling electricians for fun. So this is going to lead to that organic traffic, which is real people looking at your website every single month, which equates to real money and more clients and more business for you guys. So as you can see, Wheeler's got about 80 for organic traffic, and you guys have 169, which is great. So you're already beating them there, but we want to boost that. We want to get you more referring domains, because if you can get yourself added to these 54 domains on top of your 19 domains, this is just going to keep climbing and keep climbing and keep climbing, and it's going to take you guys to the #1 spot organically in Google. Now, what I mean by that is you guys are going to rank #1 right here. This is organic ranking, and that's exactly where you want to be. So using those 2 tips on content and backlinks is going to get you guys showing up right here. Now, another way that you can show up first, because some clients like to click on the first thing that they see when they search in Google, is by doing Google Ads. That's going to put you right up here, and that'll help you bring in even more clients. Now, the next thing and the last tip that we're going to talk about is this area right here called the local map pack or Google My Business. And how you get here is by having your citation in directories. What's a citation? A citation is just your business's address, phone number, and name listed in the directory, and the directory is just a website that allows you to list that business information, such as Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. And what I would do if I were in your shoes is I would find out all of the directories that Wheeler is in, and I would get myself listed in those exact same ones. And then I'd go above and beyond that. And if they were in about 150, I'd put myself in 250, 300 directories. And this is going to help you rank #1 right up here. So you will be #1 all across Google organically, in the map pack, and on Google Ads. Now that's all I've got for you today, Nicole. I tried to keep this informative and helpful while keeping it short and to the point. So just a quick recap. We want to add more content to this page. We want to get you at that 1,500 word mark, and we want to sprinkle in some of those keywords, and we want to save any and all pictures on our website as different keywords, because again, Google will read those and it's going to help you rank some more for it. The next thing we talked about is backlinks. You guys have 19. One of your top competitors in the area has 54. Check out other top competitors and get yourself added to those same backlinks as well. You'll blow everybody out of the water. No one's going to be able to catch up to you, and you're going to be ranked #1. And then we want to get you into all those directories that your competition is in. So this is going to help you rank #1 up here and #1 down here, and this is going to show that Google trusts you, and it's going to let your clients know that they can trust you as well. Now you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? You've got 2 options. You can take this information and you can knock it all out yourself, and I totally invite you to do that. It does take some time to rank, so the sooner you get started, the better. It's a wonderful thing to do. And if you're like other folks that I speak to and you want this done, but you don't have the time to do it yourself, just feel free to give me a call. I'd love to talk to you more about your goals and come up with a plan to help you increase your business. Now give me a call or shoot me a text, whatever is more convenient for you. I can be reached at 406-530-7548. I look forward to hearing from you.